Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at the project information and the project units. So within the Manage tab in the Settings panel, you'll find the project information. If you click on it, you'll see the project information here. And here the family is the system family, the project information. So here, this information is text-based, so you can just put in the text here. So here you can put in some identity data, the organization name, organization description, building name, and author. And then you have the IFC parameters here. And after that, if we go down, you have the root analysis, and then in the other you have the project issue date, where you can put the project issue date, the project status here, the client name of the for the project, and the project address. And when you click on the project address, you can see that the 3 dots will pop up. This pop-up doesn't actually show any kind of selection settings, so it's just that the address can be a bit long, so the text box is a bit bigger than the other text areas. That's why you have the 3 dots here. And then you have the project name and the project number as well. So that's all within project information, and it's pretty straightforward, and it's all text-based. After that, we're going to look at the project units. So we already have covered this a little bit in the earlier part of the course. So here you have to choose the discipline that you want to change the units for or see the units for. So instead of common, we can select electrical, and then we can select energy, we can select HVAC, and so on and so forth, right? And we can go to infrastructure and everything else. Right, so if you stay on common, here are the common units and the formats for them. So right now for area, you can see it's meter squared, but if you want, you can turn it into feet squared as well. You just click on the unit format there, and here in the units it's square meters. Instead of square meters, you can just change it to square feet. I'm not doing it, I'm just telling you what can be done. And then you also have the rounding option, the unit symbols as well, and some additional options there as well. Okay. Alrighty, so that's how you can change the project units, common, energy, HVAC, and whatnot. Alright, so yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.